This is cold foam, and here's how to make it. Let's go. Hey guys, I'm Mike. Welcome to East Biari. Welcome to a show on coffee insights on how to make cold foam, which is super simple to make, very, very popular, trending up, and you can find this in a lot of coffee houses, but you also can make it at home because all you need to make cold foam is a cold foam frother, and these you can find on Amazon for $50 or so. Now, how do they work? Well, it's very simple. Instead of steaming the milk as you would as a barista, they have a thing in there that spins really, really fast. And you put cold milk or cold half and half. I'll dive into that in a second. You put your milk in here and it creates a cold foam. So it creates a frothy, rich foam. You can even pour like caramel syrup on top and it should sit on top. That's how dense the foam is, but it's cold. It's cold to the touch, cold to your lips. It is very, very popular on these warm summer days. So this is a cold foam frother. You can find them at Walmart, Amazon, wherever. Very, very economical. And for a coffee shop, it is a great, great investment. We have many of these. So how do you make cold foam? Well, we used to start by making it with milk, but this is not the best option that we've found. May 1st, that's actually my birthday there. Anyway, so milk is a good option. You can make it with whole milk. You can make it with skim milk. You can make it with oat milk. It's okay. Almond milk, not so much. A lot of times people ask for almond milk drink, but regular cold foam. And what we use to make cold foam is half and half. You pour a couple ounces of half and half into your frother, and that, or cold foamer, and that will give you the absolute best, thickest, richest cold foam. Now here's one more trick. And I should say all the cold foam frothers have a line in here, min and max, of how much you can put in it. Now with all the new drink flavors and everything coming out, we just did a drink with cheesecake cold foam. Here's pistachio syrup. And all you would do is just simply put a couple pumps of your syrup in here, then add your half and half, and you'll get a flavored, vanilla is very popular. Like I said, we just did cheesecake. I have pistachio here. That would work well with a lot of different drinks. We have a caramel macchiato with cold foam. Then we put a caramel drizzle on top. All these drinks are great drinks. You can make them at home, especially if they're iced lattes. You can put this on any drink. Of course, you get a lot of people who ask for cold foam on cold brew and then cold foam on iced lattes, like a carrot cake topped with cheesecake cold foam latte. Very good, highly recommended. So that is cold foam. Here's how it works. All right, so I have my cold brew, and now I have my finished cold foam. It takes about 30 to 45 seconds. So start the cold foam first, then make your drink. And then simply, as you can see in there, it's nice and thick. And it'll pour on right on top there. Really good aesthetic. And there you go, cold foam and cold brew. Very popular with iced latte. And any cold drink at the coffee house, enjoy.